Welcome to the garden, where the secret to thriving plants starts beneath our feet, in the soil. For centuries, gardeners have used certain crops not just for food, but to enrich the earth itself. Today, I'll show you 7 ancient plants that naturally boost your soil's health. No chemicals, just smart, sustainable gardening. Let's dig in and discover how these crops can transform your garden. First up, the cowpea, also known as the black-eyed pea. This tough legume thrives in poor soil and heat, but its real magic is underground. Cowpeas partner with soil bacteria to pull nitrogen from the air and store it in their roots, creating a natural fertilizer. After harvesting, chop the plants and dig them into the soil to release nutrients and organic matter. It's a simple way to feed your soil while growing food. Next, the lupin, a stunning flower and a powerful soil improver. Lupins fix nitrogen just like cowpeas, and their deep roots break up compacted soil, improving drainage. Grow them as a cover crop, then chop and incorporate before flowering for a boost of fertility. They protect soil from erosion and prepare beds for hungry crops. Beauty above ground, hard work below. Fava beans or broad beans are ancient, cold-hardy, and fast-growing. Their roots teem with nitrogen-fixing nodules, enriching soil quickly. For best results, chop them down just as they flower. Before they set seed, leave roots in place and use the foliage as mulch or dig it in. Your soil will be richer and ready for the next crop. Buckwheat isn't wheat at all, but a speedy summer cover crop. It grows fast, smothers weeds, and attracts pollinators with its white flowers. Its roots loosen soil and make phosphorus more available for future plants. After flowering, chop it down and let it decompose for a quick soil boost. Perfect for filling summer gaps and conditioning tired beds. Buckwheat is the ultimate fast turnaround soil fixer. Clover is a quiet soil hero, fixing nitrogen and acting as a living mulch. Sow low-growing clover under tall crops to suppress weeds, keep soil cool and reduce watering. Its roots prevent erosion and hold soil in place, especially on slopes. Crimson clover is great for overwintering. Sow in autumn, chop in spring. The result: soft, fertile soil ready for planting. Clover works hard all year round. Mung beans are more than just sprouts. They're soil builders. Fast-growing and nitrogen-fixing, they prep beds for heavy feeders like brassicas. Their roots break up compacted soil, improving structure and water retention. Grow mung beans in summer to leave your soil richer for autumn crops. Sorghum Sudan grass is a giant among green manures. Its deep roots break up hard soil and pull nutrients from deep below. Chop it down at 3 to 4 feet for a huge dose of organic matter. Use the cuttings as mulch or dig them in to release nutrients. It's a powerhouse for regenerating tired, compacted ground. These 7 ancient crops offer a natural, regenerative way to build healthy soil. Whether you dedicate a bed to cover crops or interplant living mulches, each action improves your garden's future. Watch your soil become darker, richer, and more alive with every season. These time-tested plants feed both you and your land. Try them this year and invest in a legacy of fertility. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.